Welcome to your Health Facts. Today we're diving deep into acrylamide, a surprisingly dangerous compound lurking in many common foods.
You might be surprised to find that some consider it even more dangerous than high fructose corn syrup, sugar starches, and even seed oils.
So let's break down why acrylamide is causing such a stir in the health world.
Well, acrylamide is classified as a probable human carcinogen based on studies on mice and rats,
And to add to that, it's also a potent neurotoxin.
meaning it can have some pretty serious effects on your brain and nervous system.
And it doesn't stop there. It can also negatively impact reproductive health.
The potential danger of acrylamide is acknowledged by several international cancer associations, and the EPA even classifies it as a carcinogen.
What's really concerning is that you won't find acrylamide listed on food labels.
That's because it's not an ingredient that's intentionally added to food. It actually forms as a byproduct during cooking.
So how does this sneaky compound end up in our food?
Acrylamide is created when certain proteins and sugars react under high heat, typically above 285 degrees Fahrenheit or 120 degrees Celsius.
This chemical reaction is known as the Maillard reaction.
And it involves the amino acid asparagine and refined sugars like glucose dextrose and maltodextrin.
It's a bit unsettling to realize that acrylamide is present in about 40% of the foods we eat.
It's hiding in plain sight in snacks like potato chips, french fries, and corn chips.
And it doesn't stop at salty snacks. It even pops up in baked goods like crackers and cookies.
You'll also encounter it in breakfast cereals, the crust of bread, and even roasted coffee.
Before you panic and clear out your pantry, there's good news. You can take steps to reduce your acrylamide intake.
Absolutely. Cooking methods play a big role. Slow cooking at lower temperatures can help minimize acrylamide formation.
And the type of fat used in cooking also makes a difference.
Opting for saturated fats like tallow coconut oil or butter instead of seed oils can help prevent acrylamide from forming.
Choosing natural sweeteners over refined sugars is another smart move.
Natural sugars like sugarcane or honey don't lead to acrylamide formation in the same way as refined sugars.
And of course, as always, a balanced diet, rich in whole foods instead of processed or refined options, is beneficial for overall health.
While reducing acrylamide in your diet is definitely a good idea, we know you can't always resist those tempting treats.
We get it. Those crispy French fries or a warm slice of toast can be hard to pass up. So what do we do when we indulge?
Well, thankfully, there are certain foods that can actually help neutralize some of the negative effects of acrylamide.
So we're talking about pairing those indulgent foods with protective foods. What are some examples?
Exactly. And a great place to start is with cruciferous vegetables.
Like broccoli, cauliflower, kale, and Brussels sprouts.
You got it. These veggies are full of antioxidants and other beneficial compounds that can protect your cells from damage.
What about garlic? I've heard that's good for you in general.
Garlic is excellent. It contains sulfur compounds that have protective effects against various toxins, and that includes acrylamide.
Sprouts are another food that have gotten a lot of attention lately, especially broccoli sprouts.
And for good reason. They're packed with sulforaphane, a powerful compound that's been linked to a reduced risk of cancer and other chronic diseases.
Vitamin C is another important nutrient to consider.
Absolutely. Citrus fruits, bell peppers, and even sauerkraut are all good sources of vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that can neutralize harmful free radicals in the body.
We can't forget about green tea and spirulina.
Those are great additions, too. Green tea is rich in polyphenols like EGCG, known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. And spirulina, being a type of blue-green algae, is a nutritional powerhouse.
So it seems like incorporating these protective foods alongside those occasional indulgences can make a real difference.
It's all about balance and making informed choices. And remember, knowledge is power.
It's empowering to know we can make informed choices to minimize acrylamide in our diets.
Absolutely. We may not be able to eliminate every single risk, but understanding these things helps us make conscious decisions about our food.
And for those who want to dive deeper into this topic and other health insights,
be sure to visit us at yourhealthfacts.com and subscribe for regular updates.
thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the hidden dangers lurking in our pantries.
We hope this information helps you make healthier choices.
Until next time, stay informed and stay well.